What's the meaning of air ambulance? Air ambulance. Air ambulance. Air ambulance. Air ambulance. Air ambulance. An air ambulance is a specialized aircraft that is equipped with medical equipment and staffed with trained medical professionals. It is designed to transport patients who require urgent medical attention over long distances or in emergency situations. Air ambulances are typically used in cases where ground transportation would take too long, such as in rural or remote areas, or where traffic congestion could delay a patient's arrival at a hospital. They can also be used to transport critically ill or injured patients between hospitals for specialized care or surgeries. Overall, air ambulances help provide timely and life-saving medical care to those in need.